Three-phase induction motors. Three-phase induction motors. Objectives and draw the circuit diagram with data from the no load and Blackwood rotor tests. Find out the required parameters from the circuit diagram. Problem on circuit diagram. Now draw the circuit diagram for a 5.6 kilowatts 400 volts 3-phase 4-pole 50 head slip ring induction motor from the following data. No load readings. It is open circuited. Voltage 400 volts 6 amps. Cos pi naught is 0.087 lagging power factor. Short circuit test 100 volts 12 amps 720 watts. This is the open no load and short circuit test. That means a black rotor test. The ratio of primary to secondary turns ratio is given, that is 2.62 the ratio, and stator resistance per phase is 0.67 ohms and rotor is 0.185 ohms. Calculate full load current, full load slip, full load power factor, maximum torque by full load torque, maximum power. These are the questions given. Now the solution is, from no load condition, pi naught is equal to cos inverse 0.087, that is 85 degrees. I naught is equal to A, that is 3 centimeters inclined at 85 degrees. 1 centimeter is equal to 2 amps. So now it is drawn 3 centimeters. Now we draw a line OA at an angle 85 degrees, lagging behind V1. This is the scale x-axis, current is taken, y-axis, so voltage or reactance phasor is taken, reference phasor taken, that is voltage. Now next one is short circuit current with normal voltage. ISN equal to ISC into V1 by VSC, that is equal to 12 into 400 by 100, that is equal to 48 amps. Now SC power, WSC is equal to root 3 VSC AC cos pi SC. Total input or AC power for normal voltage WSN is equal to WSC V1 by VSC whole square. 720 into 400 by 1000 square, that is 11.52 kilowatts. Now current scale is 1 centimeter is equal to 2 amps. As shown in diagram, I0 is equal to YA, that is 3 centimeters and inclined at 85 degrees with OV1. Therefore, pi IC is equal to WS by root 3 VS ISC, and here pi IC is equal to 720 by root 3 100 into 12, that is 0.347. So pi IC is 69 point, yeah, that is cos pi IC here, but here the pi IC is 69 degrees 40 minutes. Now draw a line which joins together the points A and B. Line OB represents the AC current with a normal voltage. It means 48 by 2, that is 24 centimeters ISN is equal to OB. We have pi IC is 69 degrees 40 minutes. Line AB and OB is shown. See after this one, line now draw a perpendicular bisector of line AB. Find out the center C, then consider AC as radius for the circle. Now draw a perpendicular this is a perpendicular line perpendicular to AB. Bisector of line AB and find out the center C. Then consider AC as a radius for the circle as shown. This perpendicular bisector of AB now BG is 8.25 centimeters and represents the total input. WSN total input here, since power scale is WSN by BG, that is 11.52 by 8.25, that is 1.4 kilowatts per centimeter. Therefore, the power scale 1 centimeter is equal to 1.4 kilowatts. A is the torque line, FL is output length BL. FL is output is given as 5.6 kilowatts. And therefore BL is equal to 5.6 by 1.4, that is 4 centimeters. GB is produced L such that BL is equal to 4 centimeters. Draw line LP is parallel to OP line and it cuts the circle at point P. OP represents full load current. Now draw a semicircle with the radius length AC and consider center point C, and also draw a line PL which is parallel to AB line, which is parallel to AB line. Which is parallel to AB line. Since BL is total output, that is 4 centimeters, now join the OP which indicates that full load current and then find out power factor and pi 1 as shown in figure. For drawing torque line, consider stator to rotor turns ratio. That is N1 by N2 is equal to I2 by I1, that is K, transformation ratio. The value is given, that is K is equal to 2.62. Stator resistance for phase is 0.67 ohms, that is equal to R1, and rotor resistance for phase is 0.185, that is equal to R2. Here rotor copper losses to stator copper losses, that is R2 by R1 K square, which gives the 1.9. Total copper losses BF is rotor copper losses B plus stator copper losses EF, that is 1.9 into stator copper losses plus stator copper losses. So here 2.9 into stator copper losses. But from the circle diagram, BF is 8 centimeters. It represents the total copper losses, and it is divided at point E in the ratio of 1.9:1. Its length 8 centimeter is equal to 2.9 into stator copper losses. That is stator copper losses 8 by 2.9. Here 8 by 2.9, no, to 1.9. That is 2.76 centimeters, and B is equal to BF into 1.9 by 2.9. Here 8 into 1.9 by 2.9, that is equal to 5.24 centimeters. Hence B is equal to 5.24 centimeters and EF is equal to 2.76 centimeters. Locate point E by divided by line BF and ratio B and EF. E is 5.24 and EF is 2.76. Draw BG which is perpendicular to x-axis and draw a circle diagram as shown below. Now PK is drawn vertically and noted the points MN and JN as shown. From diagram, points R and H represents the points of maximum From diagram, points R and H represents the maximum torque and maximum output respectively. FL full load current output. Full load current OP is equal to 5.75 centimeters, that is 5.7 power into 2, that is 11.5 amps. And full load slip S is equal to Mn by Pn, that is 0.2 by 4.25. Mn by Pn, that is 0.047 or 4.7%. Power factor is Kp by OP, that is 4.6 by 5.75, that is equal to 8.8. Maximum torque by full load torque is Rs by Pn, that is 10.05 by 4.25, that is 2.37. Maximum output is Hi, that is equal to 7.75 centimeters. Maximum output power is equal to 7.75 into 1.4. Power scale is 1 centimeter is equal to 1.4 kilowatts. The short circuit current with normal voltage ISN is given from it, and SC power and pi SC stator to turns ratio. Thank you. Next.